3, 2, 1.
What is a large piece of furniture with many drawers? The answer is B. Dresser. What Roman emperor is said to have taken Alexander the Great's armor from his tomb in Alexandria, Egypt? The answer is B. Caligula. A young hog is known as what? The answer is A. A pharaoh. In real life, what piece of clothing was Jack Lord famous for wearing? The answer is B. Panama hats. I'm light, yet I can be heavy. What am I? The answer is B. Cloud. Which of these songs, inducted into the Grammy Hall of Fame, was not recorded by the singer-songwriter born Robert Allen Zimmerman? The answer is C. Ain't No Mountain High Enough. In 1996, Tom became the first actor in history to star in 5 consecutive films that grossed $100 million at the box office, which is not one of those movies. The answer is B. Mission Impossible Roman 2. What is the term used for a country's currency exchange rate? The answer is A. Nominal exchange rate. I'm watched by millions, but I don't see a thing. What am I? The answer is A. A movie screen. What is the smallest main part of the brain? The answer is D. The stem. Which instrument is featured in Beethoven's Fifth Symphony? The answer is D. Horn. In which country would you find Uluru? The answer is A. Australia. Which computer was the first to reach 1 GHz processor speed? The answer is C. AMD Athlon XP. What time period is it quarter past on an analog clock? The answer is B. 10 minutes. Which food has the chemical name sucrose? The answer is A. Salt. Which of these characters from The Shield is still alive in Season 5? The answer is B. Kern Little. Which of these crops did the Algonquin people of North America grow? The answer is D. All of these. Which of the following would be more likely to pollute a river? The answer is B. Spreading fertilizer near the river. In Desperate Housewives Season 1, how many children does Lynette have? The answer is C. 4. When a baby shakes a rattle, it makes a noise. Which form of energy was changed to sound energy? The answer is C. Mechanical. What song by Tenacious D appeared in the video game Guitar Hero 3? The answer is A. The Metal. Has the average annual temperature on Earth been rising or falling for the past 100 years? The answer is B. Rising. What band recorded the albums How Will I Laugh Tomorrow When I Can't Even Smile Today, Light Scam Revolution and Still Psycho after all these years? The answer is C. Suicidal Tendencies. A circuit is parallel when more than one pathway has flowing what? The answer is D. Sapping energy. Who was the ruler of Egypt during the building of the pyramids? The answer is B. Ramses Roman II. Which likely needs the least food? The answer is B. A snake. What is undesirable in a vegetable garden? The answer is D. Dandelions. Who was the Aztec god of sun and war? The answer is A. Huitzilopochtli. Which vegetable is known as a lubanda in Italian? The answer is A. Potato. What is the frequency of ocean waves that have a speed of 18 m/s and a wavelength of 50 m? The answer is B. 0.36 Hz. The gravitational force of the Sun affects the planets in our solar system. Which of these is influenced the most by this force? The answer is B. Orbital path. I connect many, but cannot be touched. What am I? The answer is A. Network. What appliance do you use to make coffee? The answer is D. Coffee maker. In an episode of Saved by the Bell, Zach convinces Jesse, Kelly, and Lisa to start a signing group. What name does he give them? The answer is B. Hot Sunday. Which language is known as the language of music due to its use in opera and classical music? The answer is A. Italian. What pop-rock band recorded the song Manic Monday on their Studio 1986 album Different Light? The answer is C. The Bangles. What's black, white, and reads music from left to right? The answer is C. Staff paper. What is the largest sculpture in the world named after? The answer is A. Christ the Redeemer. When was the first fountain pen invented? The answer is A, 1883. The Magna Carta went into effect in 1215. Who signed it? The answer is C, nobody. The Giza pyramids are located in which country? The answer is B, Egypt. Many scientists think that burning fossil fuels has increased the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. What effect would the increase of carbon dioxide most likely have on the planet? The answer is B, a warmer climate. Which city is famous for its Venetian Gothic architecture? The answer is B, Venice. Who is the Japanese deity that brought rice cultivation to humanity? The answer is C, Inari. What actor portrayed Idi Amin in the movie The Last King of Scotland? The answer is A, Forrest Whitaker. What is the smallest ocean in terms of area? The answer is A, Mediterranean. What advantage do some plants have over animals in a drought? The answer is A, plants can use underground water. Which unit of time is equal to 1/1000th of an hour? The answer is A, second. I'm full of holes, but can still hold water. What am I? The answer is C, a sieve. Which Egyptian god is associated with the afterlife and mummification?